Okay, this is the last video in our series Getting Started, and in this video we'll focus on reports. Now before I do that, I've left the dashboard up at the beginning of each video so that you can see how it has grown as we progressed from just creating the case to adding the issues and so on and so forth. Again, the proper workflow that I think, it may be different for you, but I think we should start with the issues as we know them from the claim. We input the people that we have with the intention of adding on the go or on the fly, uploading our documents so that we can start pulling out the key pieces in those documents that we want to track as facts. We then connect those key pieces to the different issues. We link them to the people of the case. And it really helps us build a chronology of those important facts. Now, however, whatever task you're trying to accomplish in CaseMap, you can do this via different methods. For example, I can go to issues and see all the facts or research connected to a particular issue. The same with people in orgs. I can go and see the facts that are connected to those people or companies, or I can even export a list of all the people for maybe I want to build a witness list. From documents, I can see all the documents in the case, how many facts are in each document, and if I have many, I can go into the document to see where each fact is found. Maybe I want to apply a tag to the documents that I want to put in an affidavit of documents so that I can filter all of the documents to just the key ones and then click export to export that list so that I can build that. I can go to research and see which pieces of research relate to which issue. And then again, I can pull export to get a table of authorities of the cases that I'm relying on in this particular case. And the last but not least is facts. Here we can sort by many different things. We can either click through a combination to create a search, or we can come up here to filter and build a very specific query based around people plus issues plus documents on dates, containing keywords, and or have a status that I want to review. Once I search and pull up a query, I can save that query to come back here to rerun a search at a later point in time. If I export now without filters, it exports the whole list. If I narrow it down and then export, it will only export what I've filtered to. Now, that was just to tell you that you can get different reports without going to the reports menu. This menu is intended to pull out the information that you have in the case. I can run one report or I can select multiple reports and I can preview the report so that I can see what I'm going to get as an output before I download it, before I print it. If this is agreeable to me, I can go ahead and print it here and I can download it here. If I want to make some changes, I can go back, make some changes, and then I can skip the preview step and simply download the information. Again, CaseMap's a great tool to keep you organized, centralized, to be able to go and analyze different pieces of information connected to different items. My contact information is in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you for being part of this series. Be well and stay safe.